Hello students, welcome to your EVS class. Students, today I am going to start chapter 11. Okay, chapter 11, and the name of this chapter is Things We Wear. Okay, Things We Wear. So we all wear clothes, yes or no? We all wear clothes. Why? Why do we wear clothes? Now we wear clothes to cover our body. Okay, clothes cover our body, and clothes make us look smart and protect us from heat, cold. Okay, not only heat, cold, rain, dust. Clear? And clothes also protect us from insect bites. Okay, it also protect us from insect bites. So clothes protect us from heat, cold, rain, dust, and also the from the insect bites. Okay, and clothes make us look smart. Clear? Look at the different types of clothes. Tie, t-shirt, skirt, socks, short, trouser, jacket, sweater, shirt. Okay, so your homework is, look at this, read the heading. Now tick in the given boxes, that means here. Okay, tick in the given boxes the clothes that you wear. Okay, the clothes that you wear, you just tick here. Okay, you just tick in the given boxes the clothes that you wear. Okay, so you will do yourself. Clear? Now turn the page. Next I will start chapter 12, clothes. I already explained you that why do we wear clothes. Now we wear clothes to cover our body, and clothes protect us from heat, cold, rain, dust, etc. Clothes also protect us from the insect bites. Okay, and clothes make us look smart. Okay, if we wear neat and clean and well ironed clothes, then we look smart. Clear? Now we wear different clothes in different season. Yes, we wear different types of clothes in different seasons. Clear? There are three main seasons in our country. Yes or no? There are three main seasons in our country: summer, winter, and the rainy. Okay, three main season that we can feel properly. Clear? So in summer season, that means it's very hot. Summer season means very hot. So we wear cotton cloths in summer season. Okay, in summer. Okay, we wear cotton cloths in summer season. Okay, light colored cotton cloths during the summer season. Why? Why do we wear the cotton cloths in summer season? Now cotton cloths help us to stay cool. Okay, it keeps us cool. That's why we wear cotton cloths in summer season. Clear? And where do we get the cotton? We get cotton from the cotton plants. Okay, we get cotton from the cotton plants. Okay, because the cotton plants are made up of cotton, and we get the cotton from the cotton plant. Okay, look at this plant. We get cotton from this plant, cotton plant. Clear? Next, we wear woolen cloths in winter season. Winter season means it's very cold. Yes or no? In winter season. So that's why we wear woolen cloths. That's why we wear woolen cloths. And you know why do we wear the woolen cloths in winter season? Now, woolen cloths keep us warm in winter. Okay, woolen cloths keep warm in winter. We wear woolen cloths in winter and we get wool from sheep. Okay, the woolen cloths are made up of the wool. And where do we get wool? Now we get wool from the hair of the sheep. Okay, look at this. The hair of the sheep. We get wool from the hair of the sheep. Clear? So we wear woolen cloths in winter season, and woolen cloths keep us warm. Okay, they keep us warm. And where do we get the wool? Now we get wool from the sheep. Okay, the hair of the sheep. Clear? Now we wear raincoat and gum boots and carry an umbrella in rainy season. Yes, in the rainy season we wear the raincoat. We wear the raincoat and the gum boots, and otherwise many times we carry an umbrella, okay, to protect ourselves from the rain. So we wear raincoat and gumboots in rainy season. Why we wear the raincoat, the gumboots? Now we wear raincoats because now it keeps us dry. Okay, it keeps us dry. Okay, now raincoat protects our clothes from getting wet. Okay, raincoats protect our clothes from getting wet. So, and we also wear the gumboots. So we wear raincoat in rainy season. Okay, it protects us from the rain and also protects our clothes from getting wet. Clear? And many times we use the umbrella. Okay, that's why we carry an umbrella in rainy season. Clear? So students, your homework is, you will read chapter 11 and chapter 12. Okay, you will just read these 2 pages. Okay, page number 17 and page number 18. This is your homework. So that's it for today's class. Thank you.